I'm gonna talk about the future of the creator economy, especially how the AI and crypto can drive the innovations. So basically, we can go through the history about the creator economy. I think there's one more thing. There's one thing that's particularly important is that what can creator build that can be consumed by consumer. I think in the long history, all the creators can do is write the article or the novels, post on Medium or in Mira, in the Web3 space. And people can also shoot the photos or post your arts on Instagram and also Zara. The same for the videos on TikTok. But nowadays, with the generative AI technologies, the creator can actually build an interactive AI application without codings at all. So I think we saw the trends of the content that can be built by creators is getting more and more multimodality, interactive, and it's becoming also very modular. Because in previous sense, the articles, the images, the videos is just created by one creators. There's no collaborations at all. But I'm gonna explain why it's getting more modular in terms of the AI applications. So I think in these 2 days, there are a lot of AI events and people are talking about different things about the AI agents and also AI applications. So I think in our definition, the AI application basically is a composition of multiple AI models inside a agent framework with a modular UI. What this means is that we also, there's different kind of AI applications in different kind of content categories, including entertainment for the AI characters or for the educational content, and also for the personalized workflow. The multiple models is that rather than just simple chatbot with single large language model with prompt, we can orchestrating all the models together in an agent framework, which can be either simple in a linear forward flow or can be a dynamic graph transition. And the modular UI means that people always think the AI application is just chatbot, but I think chatbot is just very simple ways for user to interact with early stage AI applications. But we also, that we can also use AI generated GUI and also for the voice chatting. So here, gonna give you guys a few concrete examples of what is meant by AI applications. From the simplest ones, basically we can use, this one is a code writer. We can just use one model, it's a large language model with a simple prompt. So this is gonna enable the developers to use the AI to write the code to debug. And what if we have one more model, it's a voice model. Oh, there's no sound. Anyways, basically, it's the large language model is shaping the character's personalities, and the voice model is doing the voice clone and also text-to-speech to give the character more unique voices other than the unique personalities. And also this one is an image generator. It's a large language model and stable diffusion model run in sequence. Well, and in the previous example, yeah, I forgot to mention, this one is actually run in parallel. And this one is run in sequence. Why we need a large language model here? Because Stable Diffusion actually takes the image prompt, which is very daunting and hard to write. So with large language model, it's gonna understand the user's intention, what's the user want, what's the image style, and it's gonna write the image prompt for the users. And the image prompt gonna be forwarded to the Stable Diffusion model as input to generate multiple images. Even at the bottom, there are 4 buttons that can use other models to upscale the image or do the variant. And in even more crazier settings, it's a video summarizer. What if we came across the video on YouTube that we find it interesting but take like an hour? We don't have the time to watch it. So basically with a chain of 5 models running sequence, it's speech recognition models, large language model, and voice clone TTS. Basically, we can allow the AI to do the video summary. We can condense the 1 hour audio's contents in 1 minute summary, also with the speaker's original voices. So I think what we do at MyShell, basically we want to host as many as models possible for the creators to be able to easily orchestrating together the calling flow for the different models to change the input and output of different models together to build complicated and very useful AI applications in different kind of content category, either for entertainment or education or even personalized apps, and without any codings at all. Yes, so I think just talked a lot about the AI applications and the AI part. I think the interesting part for the AI application is the nature of modularity and composability of it. Because we all saw there's many part of it, because there's the AI models. All the models is not built by the creators building the applications. It's actually contributed by the open source community, or it's contributed by the individuals that's training the models, fine-tuning the models in different kind of categories, because people nowadays think there's only image generation and also large language models, but in reality there's much more than that, like traditional computer vision models, processing images, and also the generative videos and also GIFs and many others. And also the agent frameworks really unified all the models together and keep things that stable and to work out in more deterministic ways. And the modular UIs, just like the video summarizer I showed you guys, basically it's gonna take users' input in many fashions, either videos, images, audios, and others, and also renders out the generated results in a unified UI user interface. So why we need crypto? I think because of the modular nature and also the new ways for creator to build interactive application really makes the definition of developers more broader, because in traditional settings, the developer are the guys with the coding capabilities to write the code, to deliver the application that's posted on Google Play Store or the App Store. But in nowadays, anyone without coding experiences can leverage all the AI models to build the AI applications, which means there are gonna be 10 or 100 more developers out there. And also the modular nature of the AI application really needs a very flexible financial system to incentivize all the contributors, including the AI application creator and also all the model contributors. So in our setting, we design tokenomics that's gonna incentivize all the participants, either the AI creators or anyone's contributing the popular models, or the people that can be the backers or the investor of the AI application or the models. So here's just one example. It's called SongMaker GPT. It's an application that's built by our creators, and we have the patron badge system, which basically, if you are not the AI guys and you don't know what the ideas or you don't know how to create AI content, you can still use the tokens to be the part of the owner of the AI application. So whenever the AI application is making the revenues, all the shareholder or the patron badge holder are gonna also take a cut of it. So you can be the investor roles to participate in the whole ecosystem. So in this way, basically, we make all the AI application, all the AI models become AI assets that can be owned in fraction and also can be traded similar to DeFi. And we saw this page is more like a DeFi settings. There's even TVLs. Basically means all the people that's interested but not able to create the AI application, they can to own and invest part of the applications. And what if everything can also be on chain? From the usage to the model inference and also all the AI assets trading part. So basically, we have demonstrated early prototype working with Story Protocol and Retro that we can make all the AI model registry on Story Protocol's Explorer and all the model inference and the model response fully on chain. Yeah, everything is on Ethereum testnet. And also for the model, for the application composition, it's on the Story Protocol. And in second case, it's just simple image generation scenarios. All the generated image is hosted on Arwave, and also the AI derivation chain, which means this stable diffusion model generates this image. The relationship is also on chain. So we actually, given in these scenarios, we have a very strong value back towards all the AI assets for people to trade, because all the usages, all the relationship of all the composition is recorded on chain, and all the inference is also on chain. Yeah, so that's summarize the topics I want to discuss today. I think the interesting part is really how the crypto gonna bootstrap the early creator economy. I think it's totally new creator economy in terms of the given the power of crypto and AI, because in previously we just don't have a such large scale and the collaborative creator economy. It's just one people shooting the videos or the posting the images. But nowadays, people can contribute the models, can use the models to build their own applications, can either be the backers of different models and AI assets. I think this gonna be really demonstrates the powerful of crypto, just as we saw in the DeFi summer, because everything is so modular, so composable. That's how it drives the innovations. So if you guys, any of you guys building the AI infrastructures, we are looking for partners to bring the AI on chain more efficiently. Yes, thank you guys. Yeah, is there any question? Basically, we focus more on the creator economy and also how to make the creators easily use all the AI models to build applications. But for the on-chain part, especially the verifiability, the decentralized compute, this kind of partners we are looking for. It's more on the infrastructure layer. Yeah. Like Rachel, they are providing the protocols to bring all those kind of decentralized facilities to make it on-chain registered and on-chain callable. Yeah. I think in a lot of events here, most of the projects building around the infrastructures, and we focus more on the consumer-facing side and also on the content ecosystem for the usages, especially to bring more concrete usages from the Web2 users to the Web3. Because I think in our scenario, the AI creator is the guy that's creating the assets. And the Web2 people is using the application, is creating the usage, and it's supporting value for the AI assets. And the crypto user is more getting used to trading or owning the assets. So that's how we orchestrating all the different user profile together. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's actually the creators that they unite everything together, because there are millions models out there on GitHub, on Hugging Face, and on any kind of places. And but also the model itself is not valuable because something without usage is not valuable at all. So it's a creator using the models, turn it into some use cases. It's just like how the application startups founders doing. Basically, they are not creating any new technologies. They are composing the existing technologies into a user-facing product that's providing value to the users. I think our creators serve similar roles as application founders. So they are the guys uniting all the models,